Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to start new chapter, Lines to an Indian Air. This is a poem written by P.B. Shelley. This poem was written by P.B. Shelley for his friend. His friend was singer, so she asked him to write something that can be sang. So he wrote this poem, and this is quite musical poem. So here we go. Here we start from Lines to an Indian Air. Okay, I arise from dream of thee in the first sweet sleep of night, when the winds are breathing low and the stars are shining bright. I arise from dream of thee. Thee means you. And a spirit in my feet hath led me, who knows how, to thee, thy chamber window sweet. Now the poet is saying that he was sleeping and he aroused from his dream. He was sleeping and he was having a very sweet sleep, first sweet sleep. That means the early phase of night when we go to bed to sleep, the first sleep that comes to us is first sweet sleep. So the poet is saying that in the first sweet sleep of night, I aroused from the dream of thee. That means he aroused from the dream of uh, her, his beloved. When the winds are breathing low means here it is written not strong, gentle. Yes, so that means winds are blowing low and the stars are shining bright. Stars are shining bright. I arise from the dreams of thee. That means in the night he roused from the dreams of his beloved, and the spirit of my feet hath led me, who knows how, to the thy chamber window street. Now he's saying that spirit in my feet, that as if a magical creature is making him move. So he's saying that when he woke up from his dream in the night, some magical creature took him away with himself, and where he took him, he took to the window of her beloved. The wandering airs they faint on the dark, the silent stream, the champak odor fail, like sweet thoughts in a dream. The nightingale's complain, it dies upon her heart, as I much must on thine, O beloved, as thou art. So here the poet is saying that the moving air, wind, the wandering airs they faint. That means he is almost fainting, and he's thinking that he will die. The champak odor fails. Champak is a kind of flower, and he's saying that that odor fails. The smell of the flower do not work, and like sweet thoughts in a dream, and he is having sweet thoughts in a dream. The nightingales complain. Here nightingales complain means in the Greek mythology it is said that the woman was killed by his brother-in-law, and she later turned into a nightingale, and she always sings sad songs. It dies upon her heart as I must on thine, on beloved as thou art. So he is saying that he is dying. Please come and help me. He is almost dying. He is destroying. Oh, lift me from the grass. I die, I faint, I fail. He's saying that please, he's asking her beloved to come and pick him up from the grass, and he is dying, he's fainting, he's failing. Let thy love in kisses rain on my lips and eyelids pale. Eyelids pale means eyelids got discolored. My cheek is cold and white. As we know, if someone dies, he turns cold and white. So the poet is also saying that he is turning cold and white. That means he is dying. My heart beats loud and fast. He says that his heart is beating loud and very fast. Oh, press it to thine own again, where it will break at last. And he is asking so to press it so that it can he can be saved. He do not die. So, okay, students. Here I am going to give you the summary. Yes. The first stanza shows the poem dreaming of his beloved in the course of his sleep. That means, as I told, the poet is dreaming of his beloved in the sleep. Walking up from his dreams, he walks straight to his beloved's house and stands beneath the window of her bedroom. And when he woke up from his dreams, he walks straight to his beloved house. And where did he stand? He stand on the beneath the window of her bedroom. An unknown mysterious force has led me thither. That means the poet is saying that unknown mysterious force, that something has forced him to go there and stand up there. His feet had obeyed the inner impulse in taking him there. It was not in accordance with any plan or an appointment with her that he went there, but involuntarily, in obedience to a natural urge. Now, in second stanza, the poet first gives us three instances of things that seems to faint and fail, and then speaks of his own passion for his beloved. In the first place, the wandering breeze blowing gently seemed to be snowing over the silent water on the stream. Next, sweet smell of champak trees, sorry, here the spelling mistake, tree, it will be trees, seems to lose their intensity just as sweet thoughts fade away in the dream. Thirdly, the nightingale, finding itself unable fully to express its sorrow, though its song, feels helpless and becomes silent. In the same way, the poet, feeling completely overcome by his passion, will faint upon his beloved's bosom. Thus, everything in nature seems to be harmony with the poet's own mood. Now, the nightingale is supposed to sing a sad song because, according to one of the stories of Greek mythology, a girl called Philomela was seduced by her brother-in-law and was it is seduced by her brother-in-law and was eventually changed into a nightingale, which ever since has been singing tragic songs. This last stanza of poem contains a pathetic, almost heart-rending appeal from the poet to his beloved. An appeal which reminds us of similar appeal from the poet to the West Wind. The poet is overwhelmed by his passion. His love is yet unfulfilled, and his longings unsatisfied. So oppressive as his passion becomes that he feels like a man who is about to swoon, a man who is about to collapse, a man who is about to die. He therefore appeals to his beloved to lift him from the grass and to favor him with a shower of kisses upon his lips and eyelids, which are pale on account of mental agony that he is suffering. His cheeks is cold and white, and his heart is beating loud and fast on account of unsatisfied longings. He entreats his beloved to press him to her bosom, where his heart will break with the very intensity of his passion. If she lifts him from the grass and presses him to her bosom, her heart will break with ecstasy of love. So, students, in this way, we have completed the poem. In the next video, we will be doing the question answers of the chapter. Hope all of you have understood the poem well. If you have any doubt, you can call and ask me. Thank you and have a good day.